Welcome to the Wincle Interactive Factory and Product Platform Preview. When we open the system, we can see there are several city options from Beijing to Xiangtan. If you click on Xiangtan, you will be taken to the battery cell and product manufacturing plant. Once you click on Xiangtan, you will be greeted by an immersive 3D interactive clone of Hunan New Energy Factory 1 and Factory 2, where Wincle products are manufactured. Anything you can see can be zoomed in, zoomed out, clicked on, and manipulated. The software is a fully immersive interactive experience designed to virtually view Hunan and Wincle assets and products, as well as provide real-time data including energy generation and usage. The environment includes weather and time of day simulation features to enable full customization of the look and feel using different lighting environments. Manipulating the environment is easy. With a click, drag, and drop, you explore each building, remove entire floors, as well as check products out, breaking everything up into its parts. Let's check some floors out in Factory 2. This is done by clicking and dragging out. Each floor is modeled in the exact layout that is installed. Notice the subtle differences on each floor. You can do this with every building. Let's have a look at another option that opens up the floor plans on each building. This option allows you to check out the complete building floor structure. You can also drill down for more detail. This program is designed not only for interactive Hunan factory tours but also for product evaluation in a scaled environment without having to visit the factory or see or view our products in person. Clicking on our liquid-cooled battery brings up another menu allowing further exploration, including exploding views of the entire battery system. Let's take a closer look at a liquid-cooled battery used to power the main office and charge electric vehicles via the solar and wind-powered EV hub. You want a closer exploding view of this 20-foot liquid-cooled battery? No problem. You can manipulate the product with the mouse and keyboard and check out the battery packs and liquid-cooled system, while a secondary pane provides information on each section. Viewing our products this way saves on the cost of coming to the factory to view the battery systems in person, though you're more than welcome to do this as well. Or visit us at a trade show. The software is very intuitive. You can open up the battery and investigate the pack, modules, and cells, while in two separate windows, you can view a picture of the part plus a data window. This allows for unheard manipulation of a battery manufacturing environment. You can do this across the entire liquid-cooled product range. From our 5 kWh home battery system to our 96 kWh with EV charging, all the way up to our highly spec'd super safe 3.8 MWh and 5 MWh 20-foot BESS containers. The system is designed for overviews of our factory, product evaluation, and pre-visits from customers. If you're interested in licensing a factory build with full product support in your own country, check us out. Let's take a spin around the entire factory complex, and yes, we even modeled the trees. Initially, the software will be available by appointment only. Check out details on how to join the waiting list by emailing export@wincle.cn or email the UK office at sales@hunan-newenergy.com, where we will advise the hardware requirements to participate in this experience and send you an updated product catalogue. High-specification ESS battery products require something special to show you what is available outside the normal supply chain. At Hunan and Wincle, we offer you a different experience for our partners in the green economy. Power your future. Monetize your energy.